This is a real simple video to say thank you so much for a wonderful year we had this year and what we've got coming up next year. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Sea-kers, and thank you so much for joining us on this Christmas day. We are so happy to have you here. We have passed the 5,000 subscriber count. It's just been an amazing, fun, learning, just a great year in general over here at Sea-kers in sunny Utah. Well, it's really not that sunny. It was, a little cold today, but it didn't stop me from smoking my Christmas dinner, which was a filet, which was nice. And then my son took the Chateaubriand, the middle portion, and he made a beef Wellington. My son's going to be going to culinary school, and it was pretty darn good. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. But anyway, we are just talking today, just saying once again, thank you for our very first year here on YouTube with you folks. It was a lot of fun. I've learned so much. I've met so many cool people on our last cruises that we've been on. This was really the first year since the pandemic that we've almost felt back to normal with cruising, which was phenomenal. It was great to be on the last cruise where we were able to see the smiling faces of the people, the cruise staff last time. I remember getting on a cruise ship for the first time without a mask. It was an interesting year to say the least. We went through the whole gambit, right? It was originally, oh, we all are wearing masks on this cruise. And then all of a sudden, oh, we're no longer having to wear masks. And then all of a sudden, oh, look at this. We can even see smiling faces again. It was a very fun year, and it's just going to get better and better and better, which leads us to what we're going to be doing next year. So starting in January, we are going to be on the Vloggers Extravaganza cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway. We're going to do some videos before going there talking about the Norwegian Breakaway, the different places where you can go for dinner. I can't wait to get on the Norwegian Breakaway. I personally like Norwegian Cruise Lines out of all the mainstream cruise lines the most. It's just something about Norwegian Cruise Line that I really, really like. I can't really put my finger on. I think it is the kind of eclectic shows that they do. They don't do the standard Broadway shows. They have more off the beaten path type of Broadway shows, which is phenomenal. And I also think the entertainment outside of the Broadway shows is on the spot as well. Food, again, is pretty darn good over on Norwegian. But really, the main reason why we're going on this cruise is to kind of learn from other vloggers out there. We are so new with this YouTube game. We've learned a lot in this first year. Hopefully, some of the vloggers will be able to shed some secrets for me, and I can get a little bit better at this. Hopefully, it will make our channel better, and we will get more people involved, and we will just have a lot of fun. We also have another cruise scheduled coming for my family and myself. We are going to go on the Allure of the Seas, yes, once again, but this time we're going to be traveling out of Galveston, Texas, which is going to be a lot of fun. And we're going to introduce our boys. This is going to be the first time they have ever been on Allure of the Seas. And it's the first time they've ever been on a Royal Caribbean Oasis class ship. So they're going to get that really amazing feeling when they go on one of these huge ships. Like the very first time when I went on an Oasis class ship, I couldn't believe the scale and size of this thing. I can't wait to watch it through their eyes. It's going to be fun. We are also planning one other cruise probably sometime in 2023. We're not sure exactly what we're going to do. We're going to probably do it sometime in September or October. If we do it in September, we might be planning a late season Alaska cruise. Those are usually pretty darn good prices, and we will let you know once we decide which cruise line we're going to do that on and when we're going to be on there. And that's our cruise itinerary, at least what we're looking for in 2023. We might throw another one in there as well in 2023 to have 4 for the season, but I'm not 100% sure. We're going to see how it works out. We'll see. But that's not all that we're going to be doing in 2023. We are going to expand our shows, the number of shows we're going to do a week. We're going to try to get to, at some point within the year, 3 shows a week. And what those 3 shows are going to be, we're probably going to do the normal something about value, how to get the most value out of the cruises that you're going to be going on during 2023. We love doing those things. We love doing the breakdowns of the different packages. We love talking about how different dining plans work and how different excursions plans work. all of those things. We're going to keep on doing that at least once a week, one of those type of videos. After that, we're going to be doing some other videos talking about the best deal we can find for, say, a Caribbean cruise for that week, or an Alaskan cruise for that week. Some of the best deals that we've seen. We're going to just want to give it to you folks so that you can find those deals as well. And if that's something that's interesting to you, you can take advantage of the research that I'm doing. In the third video, I'm really not sure exactly where I'm going to go with this. We might continue to do maybe a cruise news and review. We kind of like that, but we're not too sure. I'm not too much into cruise news, but I want to give it more of a chance because it gives us more ability to create more content and give you something that we can talk about what's going on in the cruise industry at that week. And finally, we're going to do a really special announcement come January. So stay tuned. Listen to what that special announcement is come January. I think it's going to be something everybody's going to be interested in, and I hope that you will all take advantage of it when we give that announcement out. So there you go. That is our plans for 2023. That is my heartfelt thank you for 2022. It's been an amazing year. I hope you're all having a great holiday season. Merry Christmas. We're going to talk probably one time more before the New Year's, but if not, I'll say Happy New Year just in case, but I hope to talk to you before that time. And if this is the first time you're here and you really like cruise content, we are going to be growing hopefully even more in 2023 than what we did in 2022. In 2022, we surpassed all my expectations for what we were hoping to do. We are now over 5,000 subscribers. I have some goals for 2023. Might as well kind of put it out there right now, right? They always say put your goals out into the open, right? Because if you do it, who knows? Karma might hear and it might come true. So our goal for end of 2023 is to be at somewhere between 20 to 25,000 subscribers. That would be amazing if we can hit that number. We're right now at 5,000. To get to 25,000 subscribers, 20,000 new subscribers in a year, that would be amazing for our second year of YouTube, and I hope we can do it. So remember, if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. Turn that little notification bell on. We've got a lot of plans for next year. I just talked about them. I hope you come along. Thanks in advance. If you have any ideas too for our channel and for our community, please leave it in the comments down below. We love to hear comments. We love responding to them. We would love to hear what you would like to see from this community, from this channel, and we will work hard and diligently to try to give it to you. So I'm Rob from Cruise Seekers, just wishing each and every one of you a great, wonderful holiday season once again. And remember to always seek the seas. Bye now.